Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the MSI MAG B850M Mortar Wifi from MSI's mainstream MAG series. We'll cover its design, features, and performance. Stay tuned for all the details. The MSI MAG B850M Mortar Wifi, part of the popular MSI MAG series. Known for its solid build and gamer-friendly features, the MAG series offers reliable performance, efficient cooling, and a sleek design. This motherboard supports AMD Ryzen 9000, 8000, and 7000 series desktop processors with an AMD socket AM5 and AMD B850 chipset. It also features 4 DDR5 RAM slots to boost memory speed and reliability. Let's take a closer look at what this board brings to your build. As always, MSI keeps things organized. In the box, we have the MSI MAG B850M Mortar Wifi motherboard. There's also a quick installation guide for a seamless setup experience, along with the European Union regulatory notice for compliance. Included is a SATA cable for connecting storage devices, 2 easy M.2 clips for simplifying M.2 SSD installation, and a single M.2 screw for securing your SSDs. You'll also find an easy M.2 clip remover, a cable sticker for easy organization, and an easy Wi-Fi antenna to boost connectivity. Rounding out the accessories are a 1-2 easy CON cable for connecting MSI Easy Series fans or ARGB lights, and an easy front panel cable for simplifying PC case connections. And when it comes to design, the MAG B850M Mortar Wifi sports a sleek black color scheme with military-inspired accents. It features an extended heatsink for better heat dissipation, a dedicated VRM heatsink for stable power delivery, a double-sided M.2 shield frozer that keeps your SSDs cool, and an enlarged chipset heatsink to maintain overall system efficiency. Under the hood, it features a 12+2+1 power phase design with 60 amperes smart power stages, ensuring reliable power delivery to your CPU and critical components. This setup guarantees stability and efficiency, especially for demanding tasks and overclocking. The Lightning Gen 5 PCIe x16 slot provides top-tier bandwidth with up to 128 GB per second for maximum transfer speed, while the triple M.2 slots with PCIe 5.0 and 4.0 support deliver blazing fast storage speeds strengthened by M.2 shield frozer. For networking, the motherboard includes 5G LAN for fast and stable wired connections, as well as Wi-Fi 7 with the Easy antenna, which ensures excellent signal reception and easy setup. The USB 20GB Type-C port supports ultra-fast data transfer for modern peripherals. And with features like the Easy M.2 Shield Frozer 2 and the tool-free Easy M.2 Clip 2, installing storage drives is quicker and hassle-free. The Easy PCIe release also makes removing your GPU incredibly easy, and the Easy Memory Detection LED helps troubleshoot memory installation issues. Finally, the motherboard is ATX 3.1 ready, featuring supplemental PCIe power for improved stability and compatibility with high-performance GPUs and devices. For this review, we paired the MAG B850M Mortar Wifi with an AMD Ryzen 7 9700X processor, the MSI GeForce RTX 4060 Ti Gaming X Trio 8G graphics card. To keep everything cool, we've paired the system with the MSI MAG Core Liquid i240 Complete with a pre-installed, easy-to-use uni bracket that supports both AMD and Intel sockets. We tested gaming performance on Spider-Man 2, Cyberpunk 2077, and Ghost of Tsushima. Check out the gameplay clips on screen. We also ran synthetic benchmarks, including Cinebench, 3D Mark Steel Nomad, Time Spy, Fire Strike, and Night Raid. Check out the on-screen results for a quick look at our system's performance. As we wrap up our review, the MSI MAG B850M Mortar Wifi has proven to be a solid foundation for high-performance systems. With its robust 12+2+1 power phase design and 60 amperes SPS, you get stable and reliable power delivery. The Lightning Gen 5 slot and extensive M.2 support ensure you'll have fast expansion and storage options, while 5G LAN and Wi-Fi 7 with the EZ antenna keep you connected with speed and stability. Overall, this motherboard is a great fit for gamers and PC enthusiasts looking for a reliable, powerful platform with advanced features and easy upgradability. Thanks for watching and see you on our next video.